Jinan Jinxiangxing Machinery Manufacture Company Limited is located in Jinan City, Shandong Province. We have 17 years manufacturer experience since 2003. At present, we have agents and warehouses in 12 countries, such as Europe, Central Asia, Russia, the Middle East, and South Africa. Our main products including CNC router, stone router, fiber laser cutting machine, CO2 laser machine, oscillating knife cutter, hot wire foam cutter. All of our machines pass CE certificate. We accept the OEM and ODM according to your requirements. It's widely used in decoration, furniture industry, advertising, such as wood door, cabinet door, art and craft door, classical furniture, and all kinds of board furniture, MDF cutting, and other non-metal material. It is also used for stone gardening, trademark leather. Superstar has a strong product development capability. We have design department for clients' special requirement. And we're famous for the high quality and diverse products. 200 workers, 50 sellers, 30 persons for after-sales service. 24 hours free service online. In order to supply more high-quality products, we open office in Thailand, Pakistan, Vietnam, etc. Now, we have more and more agents and partners all over the world. In 2020, we have our new industrial park of laser and CNC router. Higher quality machine will be supplied to more countries. Welcome more cooperators in the near future. Superstar CNC Group is building a new CNC platforms in the industry. Thanks for your trust and cooperation. We will supply you all our best.